Hey everyone, welcome back to Ash English Lab. Compound words are made by joining two words together to create one new word. For example, sun plus flower, sunflower. Learning compound words will help improve your English vocabulary, speaking and writing skills. Rainbow. Rainbow. A rainbow appears after rain. Cupcake. Cupcake. I eat a sweet cupcake. Football. Football. They are playing football. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. I use my toothbrush daily. Haircut. Haircut. She got a new haircut. Bedroom. Bedroom. My bedroom is clean. Bathroom. Bathroom. The bathroom is upstairs. Classroom. Classroom. The students are in the classroom. Playground. Playground. The kids are at the playground. Notebook. Notebook. My notebook is on the table. Bookstore. Bookstore. I bought a novel from the bookstore. Backpack. Backpack. His backpack is heavy. Starfish. Starfish. The starfish is in the sea. Dog house. Dog house. The dog sleeps in the dog house. Pancake. Pancake. We had pancakes for breakfast. Milkshake. Milkshake. She drank a chocolate milkshake. Snowman. Snowman. The children made a snowman. Fireman. Fireman. The fireman helped the family. Mailbox. Mailbox. The letter is in the mailbox. Basketball. Basketball. He plays basketball every day. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. My sunglasses are black. Headphones. Headphones. She listens with headphones. Earring. Earring. Her earring is beautiful. Keyboard. Keyboard. The keyboard is new. Doorbell. Doorbell. Someone rang the doorbell. Moonlight. Moonlight. The moonlight is lovely tonight. Daydream. Daydream. He likes to daydream. Birthday. Birthday. Today is my birthday. Anyone. Anyone. Anyone can join us. Someone. Someone. Someone is calling you. Everyone. Everyone. Everyone is happy. Waterfall. Waterfall. The waterfall is beautiful. Seashell. Seashell. I found a seashell. Teapot. Teapot. The teapot is hot. Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Practice these words daily, repeat the sentences, and use them in your own conversations. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite compound word, share with your friends, subscribe to Ash English Lab. Keep learning English and keep shining. See you in the next amazing video. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.